children, I am your Jyoti ma'am, back again with the 5th session of the week. So what am I going to teach you all today? It will be a recap of all the past 4 sessions in the topic articles. But before we do that, we will begin the session with a small prayer. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yonah Prachodayat. Now coming back to the alphabets, English alphabets, which are 26 in the language, we are going to recap them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the 26 alphabets in our English language. Now coming to the sounds of these alphabets here. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the sounds, also the phonic sounds for the alphabets from A to Z. Now, as we all know, there are 26 alphabets. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Which are the vowels here? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And what are the consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the consonants. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Children, in the past or the previous sessions, I told you about a few things like the mango, the tiger, the flower lotus. These are called the national animal, the national fruit and the national flower. Today I am going to tell you about our national bird. As we all know, peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. It is a beautiful with lovely feathers, colorful feathers. It is a beautiful bird with colorful feathers. It feels happy when it sees the clouds in the sky. It's very happy when it sees clouds in the sky and it starts dancing because of the clouds in the sky, because it may rain any time. What does it eat? It eats fruits, seeds, grains, worms and also snakes. Let me list them again. It eats fruits, seeds, grains, worms and also snakes. Where does it live? It lives on the hilltop or in the dense forest. It lives on the hilltop or on the dense forest. Where do we find them? We find peacocks in Assam, Mizoram and Madhya Pradesh in a large number. We find them in Assam, Mizoram and Madhya Pradesh in a large number. This is a small information about our national bird. Keep practicing this by listening again and again. Now, coming to the topic of the day. What is the topic we learnt all these days? We learned the topic articles A and an. The articles A and an. The usage of A and an. When do we use A and when do we use an? So, when do we use A? The words which start with the consonants. Any word which starts with the consonants, we use the article A to complete the word. Then when do we use an? When do we use an? When a word begins with the vowels. When the word begins with the vowels, we use the article an to complete the word or to frame a word or write a word. As we all have written a few of the words in our previous sessions, we are going to do a recap of them one by one. First, we are going to write the first part, that is the A article words. For example, a car. Car is a consonant here, so we have written it car. A leaf. Again, L is a consonant. A bird. B is a consonant. A book. Then comes a tree. T again here is a consonant, so we have put a here. A chair. Again, C is a consonant here. A pen. P is a consonant here, so we have written A. A house. H again here is a consonant. A tiger. T is a consonant, so we have written a tiger. A table. T again here is a consonant, so we have written it as a table. In the last session or the previous session, I had given you all an activity for you all to frame 5 sentences of A and hope you people have done. When the books come for correction, we are going to go through that. So again, as a reminder for you all, so try to frame the words on your own using A and an. Now we are going to write the an words. An apple. A is a vowel, so we are going to write an apple. An ape. A again is a vowel here. An eagle. Eagle. E is a vowel, so we are going to write an igloo. Igloo begins with I, which is also a vowel, so we are going to write again an here. And ice cream. Ice cream. So again I is a vowel here. And orange. O again here is a vowel, so you are going to write an octopus. O again here is a vowel, so you are going to write an umbrella. An umbrella. U again is a vowel here, so you are going to write an urn. Urn is also begins with U, so again U is a vowel, you are going to write an ant. Again ant begins with A, so again you are going to write an here. Children, you might be thinking why we are repeating the same part again and again. As we have been connecting it with y'all virtually, it's been tough for y'all to memorize them and remember them, so that's the only reason we have been repeating them again and again for your good. So keep watching the videos and keep repeating them. Now coming back to the homework part. But before we do that, I have a small activity for you all. It's based on the vowels and the consonants. It's in your phonics book, in your literacy phonics book. Okay, remember that. It's on page number 13, 14, 15 and 16. So here on page number 13 it says, let us circle the vowels in these words. There are a few words given here. What you are going to do is you have to circle the vowels in these words. Like here there is a word van, you have to circle A, which is a vowel here. In the same way there is another word called nap, again you are going to circle A here. There is web, you are going to circle E. Only the vowels you are going to circle on page number 13. Coming to the page number 14, look at the picture and write the first letter. These are again the vowels here arrow and alligator. You are going to write the first word, only the red color words here in the line. There are 4 lines here, so you are going to write the same here. Coming back to page number 15. The first letters in these words are consonants. Write them. Here they have already given you all the consonants. You have to copy the first word down in the lines. You have to copy the first line, that is PAN, pan. You are going to write P. They are the consonants. Now coming back to page number 16. Complete each word by adding a consonant. You have to see the picture, identify it and write the missing consonant like B-I-B, bib. You are going to write the next consonant here to complete the word. For example, B-I-B, bib, P-I-N, pin, H-O-P, hop. This is the activity for you all on page number 13, 14, 15 and 16. That is in your literacy phonics book. It is a phonics book, not the regular activity book which we do, but this is the phonics book which you are going to do the activity. Now coming back to our homework part. As we all discussed, as I have already told you all, that in the notebook there will be some words written for you all. You are going to practice them. And today's homework, it will be a whole sum of the words we have written here. These words you are going to repeat 2 times. How many times? 2 times. You are going to repeat the same words 2 times and remember when to use a and when to use an. Until I come back with the next session for you all, this is me, Jyoti, saying bye to you all. Take care.